Mày y cái này cái tụp à? Bay bông bẹt. Tao mà mẹ mà núp ai mà ya mẹ yang birthday Christmas. Satu si mẹ ông cũng nữa. Mày nhớ thọ mà mẹ bị maya. Siapa? Ban teriak maya mẹ là mày. Maya lagi cukup angel sah.
Kikubor Kapatisi TV. Ka East West Group of Institution Bangalore, ka khot admission nakamta ka nursing but paramedical course, ka bala itu da ka Indian Nursing Council, ka buy admission ka badunatam, but 6% ka jinyokam. Pila ru ban apply da ka education loan.
Usambut Menteri Rangba ka jela ba Prestone Tansong, hak arpo arteri uyayang arjal penrio, ulang ba ka borsensar administrator kam dedan kam hadu kata-kata. Bar kajing penjalan yak semua terekam jang Garohil Autonomous District Council kalong maniak penbej yak edi rule sadin baklami kajing persya ke bajur naki beriu ki bomdai ki riulu bani simenta hak election jang District Council. Ha kajing kran migrap tai kubor ba Prestone laong badai halor kene nongrim bak sarkar kelahap ban penjalan yak semua terekam jang Garohil Autonomous District Council hakane kenti.
No, they have every right to do that. Political parties, they see when we form political parties is what we need to go down to the public. So whatever agenda you have your own agenda. Even from my party, we have our own agenda. So that we will see how people respond. So we leave it to the wisdom of the people. See, let me explain it very, very clearly about this. If you say you don't have to extend the administration of the district council in the form of the public representative, let me tell you one thing. If the government take over, we call it administrator. If administrator is appointed, there is a limit for the administrator to pass the bill. Because this links to the amendment of the rules, amendment of the act. So therefore, let me tell you one thing. They cannot just talk that way, because this is purely the issue of regulation, the issue of amendment of rules and regulation. There is nobody who can do that except the House inside the district council. So therefore, taking into consideration with these challenges we have, we are bound. That's why government has to extend the house for 6 months, so that within this 6 month period, they will be able to take it inside the house, take a decision and make it amendment.
We have ensured that no construction will be allowed, and hence even though environmentally the laws are allowing it, the tourism department has taken a firm stand and put it in the agreement that no construction will be allowed in that particular island.
La khot e kashnong no ngi kwa yo sngo bhan ka shnong de la khot kala yat dikila pen sngo hina shnong e ki mat jong ki if they keep apprehensions jong ki don hi convey bet ya ki ka stand jong ka tourism department mangi nam don ka construction
te kumalong menta kani ka project kum kilai perkhat kum kilai plan kade ki ka ban penmi ki kam ki jam jong ki breu jong hi ki bon bha ki jing bha ki bala banwan kane kawai ka project bi ki don mentang ne pb ru kayat bet ka tulun bet ka kam ki bon ki local pila ban pet yang to kan ungut ki ba yo kam to bon ki local hi.
Government has made it clear in the agreement that no structure is going to be allowed in the island.
Kanu ka commercial unit ka bawan hang ni ha jalla kadon kata kendon ka 90% of non-managerial posts kan led shaki locals, 50% managerial posts ru kan led shaki local. Other than that, ka shulang tang kata, let us work together and let us promote our state for good things to come in the future for our youths and all other categories.
Namarba ka ka bapi amnod ngiru hang ni. Shuaban take up yung project. Day ban shoot ho bakla. Habang yung warra yaki investment. Habang yung warra yaki bakum kini ki project. Nget yang nga opi kabakadu ka jing mantoy. Kanlong yangi ki kon sama.
So I hope with this small clarification that the concerns of the citizens will be addressed. Thank you very much.